Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl, Lori. Hey, girl, hey. How y'all doing today? Y'all, we got a haul, y'all. And if you want to know how your girl got over $200 worth of free stuff from Ulta, then you already know what you need to do, right? You know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you need...
All right, y'all, let's get into this video. You guys know that your girl loves to save her points at Ulta and then do like a big haul at the end of the year, right? Well, that's what I did this year. But this year, I didn't shop as much as Ulta as I normally did, but I was still able to manage to get over $200 worth of free merchandise. So what we're going to do is I have two hauls. So I'm going to show you the stuff that I actually paid for full price. Then I'm going to show you the stuff that I got for free. Okay, so let's start with the stuff I paid for. First thing I paid for was this Rimmel Salon one-step hair dryer and styler. This is what it looks like, you guys. I am super excited to try this because I've watched so many videos on this, and from what I understand, it's natural girl friendly. So I am super duper excited about this when it's wash day. Hello. Now the next thing I picked up was some heat styling. It is by Carol's daughter, and this is her heat stuff you put in for your hair. It's the, well, let me see what it says. Heat protector. So I did pick this up because if I'm going to be using that blow dryer, you guys know I want to have a little bit of heat protection. A lot of heat protection, not a little bit. So I did pick this up. And as you can see, it's a theme here, y'all. Your girl will be letting Miss Fro out more often, so I picked up some natural hair products. Now, this next item I have is from Melanin. And if you guys are familiar with Naturally 85, she has her own hair care line. And this is the long-lasting definition. This is her twist elongating styling cream, and this is what it looks like. I am super duper excited to try this. You guys know I've been wearing a protective style a lot, so I have not tried it. So if you want a video, let me know because I'm excited to try this. Now the last thing I paid full price for was, and you guys, I'm super excited about this, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Frizz. You guys, you know they came out with a new icy line. I think that's what it's called. Is it icy or diamond line or something like that? And this right here was a part of it. I have played with it, as you can see. Hold on, you guys. It's somebody's birthday and they think they want to Marco Polo me. Hold on one moment while she interrupted my video.
It's my birthday, so...
It's her birthday, y'all. It's her birthday. Hey, ladies. Hey. Hold on, y'all. Clink, 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 clink. Happy birthday. Okay, y'all. I'm back. It was my girl's Marlo Keenan's birthday, so we had to take a little break to celebrate. So let's finish. So all those items that I showed you guys, what was I talking about, y'all? What was I talking about? Oh, I was talking about this brown freeze. So I did pick this up. Now, y'all, let's get into all the free 99, didn't pay a dime type stuff that I got. Well, I did pay a dime, but, you know. Let me show you what your girl got. I got like, I think it's 200. I'll put the receipt up here. It was... With my points, it was $211 worth of points. Plus, you know, I still use my $3 coupon. Yes, I did. So we talking about $214, $15 worth of free stuff. So let's get into it. All right, the first item that I picked up for free was the True Glow Smooth and Soft Thin, and this is the Paraffin Spa, Thermal Paraffin Spa from Conair. Ooh, it's big. You guys, you know, I'm about that self-care, and I do everything myself pretty much. So I wanted to add this to my, you know, my spa day. So my hands can look good too. And you can actually put your feet in this. And it came with the machine as well as some wax. So I picked this up for free. Thank you, Ulta. And then I also picked up the OPI Treatment Boot Camp. And that is what it is. Let me show you what all you get. You get all these items. You get my favorite. If you don't know, the Nail Envy is my favorite base coat. You get the cuticle oil. You get a cuticle pusher. You get a filer. And what else do you get? What is that? Oh, and a cuticle cream, the remover. So this is basically everything you need to do a manicure. Self-care, you guys. Take care of yourselves. And then I also picked up something for my husband. I picked 2 of these up because they were like buy one, get one 50% off. So my husband loves these Neutrogena, the grapefruit wipes. He used these for his back. So I always have to have these at my house. Always. So I have 2 of those. The other one is in my bathroom. Now, more hair care. So I also picked up the Melanin Leave-In Conditioner, you guys. I cannot wait to wash my hair. So this right here is the leave-in conditioner. And as you saw earlier, I had the twisting cream. And then I also picked up the oil from the same brand. Super duper excited about that. And then I also, I also picked up the Curls Darler Mimosa Hair Honey. And that's what it looks like. And I picked this up to, like, when you do your twist outs, you need an oil to seal in the water, the cream, and all that. So I got that to try it out as a sealant. So, and let's see what it smells like. You know, you got to smell hair products. Now, the Melanin products, y'all, they don't really have a scent. I haven't even opened it. Hold on. Well, doggone. Yo, this smells like hair grease. It's a sweet scent, but it reminds me of hair grease. So we're gonna see. If you guys want a video, let me know. Now, the next thing your girl picked up for free $99 is the brand new, y'all hear me? The new Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter and illuminator. And you guys, let me open her up so you can see what she looks like. And when I first saw her, I was like, the heck? But honey, that is what she looks like. And I do already have a video up with all my final thoughts and how it looks. So check that video out. I'll put it in the description box or in a card up here. But I did get this for free. And then the last thing that I got for free was this, guys. This, what is it called? Well, I'm not sure what it's called, but it's the ABH. And let me show you what, I can just show you right here. All of these items are in it. And guys, I pretty much got it. I'm gonna be honest. I got it for the box. Isn't that beautiful? And when you open it up, the palettes could sit in here. And this right here has the other items. Oh, if I can open it, the other items that are in it. But I'm going to take this out and put another palette in it. So that's the reason why I picked that up. And I'm going to give the palette to my mom, because I already own the Sultry palette. But you get the Sultry palette. You get a little mini primer, eyeshadow primer, mascara, and it looks like the liquid eyeliner from ABH. And y'all, it was on sale. So if you've been eyeing this, because I think it was originally like 60 something, and now it's still on sale. Well, by the time I upload this will be Friday, so I'm not sure, but it's worth you going to Ulta and look and see. It was on sale for like $38 or $37, something like that. Absolutely gorgeous, and it has the ABH on the side. Super duper pretty. And y'all, those are all the items your girl got for free. Now, how do you get free stuff from Ulta? Simple. Sign up, make an account, and once you make your account, every time you make a purchase, you get points. Do not spend your points as soon as you see $5. You be like, woo-wee, $5. No. Don't do that. Let your points just add up. And then also, they always have stuff where you can get 5 times the points, maximize on those items. So if it say 5 times the points on all Too Faced, maximize on that. If you wanted something from Too Faced, then this is the time to get it, because when you get it, you can get 5 times the points. So that's what I normally do. Do not spend it. Now let me tell you one more thing, because Ulta got your girl. As you can see, I only got $211 worth of points, right? I originally had $250 worth of points, but for some reason, I don't know why, it wouldn't allow me to use all of my points. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just use this 211 and then go back in and do another order and use the remaining points. Well, when I did that, I used my $211 worth of points, but then when I went back in, it said I only had $3 worth of points, because what happens is when you break it up like that, it showed I had like 190 something points left. So that only generates up to like $3. But when you hold them all together, you got to use them all at one time to maximize the value. But when I split it up like that, I lost basically what, 30 something dollars that I could have used. But for I don't know what was going on with Ulta, but Ulta, we need to talk. You owe me some money. But anyway, now that's it, you guys. That's all for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want a natural hair tutorial, because your girl, Miss Flo, Miss Fro, you see Miss Fro? She been looking cute here lately. But Miss Fro's going to get a makeover coming soon. Be on the lookout for that. But let me know if you want a natural hair video using the melanin products, because, ooh, I can't wait to use them. And I do have a video up about the Natasha Denona and my thoughts. So definitely check that out. Make sure you tell your girl about your girl, okay? So they can come and check out my channel and hit that subscribe button, all right? Do that. And follow me on Instagram at It's Lori's Life. And that's it. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.